The construction industry is changing faster than ever, and one innovation is reshaping how we build homes, offices, and even hospitals: prefabrication and modular construction. Imagine entire sections of a building being crafted off-site in a controlled factory, then transported and assembled like giant Lego blocks. It sounds futuristic, but it's happening right now. And it's revolutionizing the way Pakistan builds. Traditionally, construction has been slow, messy, and prone to delays. Weather, labor shortages, material theft, and on-site mistakes often extend projects by months, sometimes even years. But prefabrication flips this process on its head. Sections of walls, floors, and even entire rooms are constructed in factories under strict quality control. Every beam, every panel is measured, tested, and inspected before it leaves the factory. By the time it reaches the site, it's ready to snap together, quickly, efficiently, and safely. The benefits are clear. Time is reduced dramatically. A residential apartment that might take about 18 months with traditional construction can be completed in 8 to 10 months using modular methods. Waste is minimized because factories can cut materials with precision and reuse offcuts. And quality is higher because the construction environment is controlled. No rain delays, no substandard materials, no surprises. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. Modular construction offers flexibility and scalability. Need to expand a building? Simply add another module. Hospitals, schools, and offices can be built, reconfigured, or relocated with ease. In countries like Japan, Sweden, and the UAE, modular construction is already mainstream. In Pakistan, developers are starting to explore this for high-end residential projects, temporary housing, and even commercial complexes. One of the most exciting applications is residential housing. Imagine a middle-class family in Karachi who wants a modern, energy-efficient home. Instead of waiting years, prefabricated wall panels, bathroom pods, and roof trusses arrive ready to assemble. Skilled labor is still needed, but the assembly is fast, precise, and cost-effective. And because each module is built in a factory, compliance with building codes and structural standards is easier to enforce. Commercial projects benefit too. Hotels, offices, and retail spaces are increasingly using modular units for their speed and flexibility. A hotel can open with one block fully assembled, while other modules are still being fabricated off-site. This approach reduces disruption, saves money, and allows developers to respond to market demands much faster than traditional construction. Of course, there are challenges. Transportation logistics can be tricky, especially in dense urban areas like Lahore or Karachi. Oversized modules require careful planning, permits, and cranes for installation. Design flexibility is sometimes limited because modules must be transportable. But as technology improves, engineers are finding creative solutions. Collapsible modules, modular joints, and lightweight materials that maintain strength without bulk. The environmental impact is another major advantage. Prefabrication reduces construction waste by up to 50%. Factories can recycle cutoffs, manage water usage, and control emissions. Less time on site means fewer trucks, less dust, and reduced noise pollution. For a country like Pakistan, facing both urban growth and environmental challenges, modular construction represents a practical step toward sustainable development. Looking ahead, the future of construction in Pakistan will likely be hybrid. Traditional on-site methods will still exist for unique or landmark projects, but prefabrication and modular techniques will dominate residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Builders who embrace these methods will save time, reduce costs, and improve quality. Homeowners will benefit from safer, more durable, and environmentally friendly structures. And engineers, architects, and developers will have a powerful tool to meet the demands of a rapidly urbanizing country. In conclusion, prefabrication and modular construction aren't just trends. They are a shift in the very philosophy of building. They promise efficiency, safety, sustainability, and adaptability. Pakistan is at the brink of adopting these methods widely, and the next few years could transform how cities grow, how homes are built, and how construction professionals operate. For engineers, architects, and homeowners, the message is clear. The future is modular, and the future is now.